night long. All night long. Non-stop. The law cannot stop them from doing this. They tried. There's no solution. All night long you hear that sound. It's much, much louder than you hear in the video. A lot louder. Then you got the rap music real loud. When you try to sleep, you hear the sound going to the house and into the rooms of the house, and you're thinking that the song or the rap music is in the house, but it's outside, passing by in the car. They put the music so loud too. Okay, so noise pollution is becoming a troublesome thing, as you can see.